Hey, this is Antoine from Learn Local SEO, and I'm about to show you how to find your Google My Business dashboard URL. You're gonna need this URL when you're reaching out to the Google Help Desk to get reinstated or to fix anything in your Google My Business. The person at Google is gonna be asking for this dashboard URL. So all you have to do is just log in into your Google My Business account, make sure you're on the Home tab, and just copy and paste this URL right here. Now, in the instructions that Google gives you, they're going to say it has a B right here, but as there's a lot more Google My Business listings and stuff like that. So they have moved on to other letters. So don't be confused. If you can't find a B, or if yours doesn't have a B, or if it's a different letter than a U, that's fine. All you have to do is log into your Google My Business, click on Home, and highlight this and give that to your Google My Business rep, and they can help you out. So that's how you find it. If you guys didn't have any more questions, let me know. Antoine Cameron at learnlocalseo.com. Have a great day.